My screen is visible to everyone.
No, sir.
Excel
Imagination, sir.
Excel is not visible.
No, sir.
Just a minute. Now, please respond. Now it is visible.
No, sir.
Just a minute. So recording on this computer. We are using an script. My previous screen is visible to everyone, na? Or no, no screen. Which
Yes,
screen is
sir.
visible? Previous or Excel sheet?
Previous, sir.
Previous is visible. Okay.
Yes.
Just a minute. Now visible? Excel? I think it is visible
Sir.
now. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now it is visible, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So if you are going to see the center line which I have drawn. See, it's a plan of a particular home. Okay. There is one kitchen having the dimensions 4 by 4 meter, bedroom having the dimensions 3 by 4 meter, then WC bath. You are going to see the drawing room. You are going to see that is nothing but your hall 4 by 6 meter. This is veranda. Okay. And see the points which I have drawn. The red color line, everyone is visible to see the red color line. This is nothing but drawing the center line in a particular plan. This is the task which you need to do at first. Okay. ऍक्च्युली ड्रॉ करण्याची गरज पडत नाही. आपण नुसतं व्हिज्युअल ऑब्झर्वेशन सुद्धा तुम्ही कन्सिडर करू शकता. बट ही सेंटर लाईन का ड्रॉ करायची आहे? बिकॉज इन आवर कॅल्क्युलेशन दिस ड्रॉइंग द सेंटर लाईन विल हेल्प अस फॉर टेकिंग द डायमेन्शन्स. This drawing the center line will help us for taking the dimensions. I just want to share that how the center line is been there for any particular plan. That is why I have taken this particular part. I hope now this is very clear to you. You can see this particular center line which is been there here in this particular part. Everybody see center line is visible to everyone. See the center line, how it has been passing. Okay, through the cross section of the walls. Everywhere through the cross section of the wall, the center line is passing. So whatever the width of this particular wall, suppose width is 230 mm or width is 300 mm. Okay. So whatever the width of the wall, exactly from the center you have to mark a line. Okay. Exactly from the center you have to mark that particular line. Just a minute. See this particular center line which is passing through the center of this particular cross section of the wall. See the cursor which I am scrolling, mouse. Exactly through the center of this particular plan, the center line is passing. Now everyone is clear with this? Hello everyone, everyone is clear with this? How the center line we are going to mark? Please respond, yes or no? सेंटर लाईन कशी ड्रॉ करायची आले लक्षात? एक्झॅक्टली वॉलच्या क्रॉस सेक्शन मधून सेंटरला एक लाईन ड्रॉ करायची, सेंटर लाईन ड्रॉ करायची. ठीक आहे, की जी कंटिन्युअस असली पाहिजे. आता तुम्ही बनता हे पहा, हा जो पोर्शन इथं ओपनिंग दिसतंय आणि इथं ओपनिंग आहे म्हणून मी सेंटर लाईन कट केली का? नाही. ही सेंटर लाईन काय मी अखंड ड्रॉ केलेली आहे. बरोबर आहे, ही सेंटर लाईन मी अखंड ड्रॉ केलेली आहे तिथे. So in this fashion you have to draw the center line. Okay, this is our first step. Now second, now my screen is PPT is visible everyone. Second PPT, previous PPT is visible to everyone.
Yes sir.
Okay, okay. So now you have seen how we are going to draw the center line. Now what is the purpose of this particular center line? So the next step they have mentioned in this method, the total center line length is calculated by subtracting the center line length by half by subtracting the center line length by half multiplied by number of junctions, that is T junction or cross junctions, multiplied by width of that particular atom, multiplied by width of that particular atom. So what formula actually we are going to use for center line method? Very simple formula we are going to use. The total center line length for any activity, the total center line length for any activity equals to center line length minus 1/2, that is 1/2 into number of junctions multiplied by one width of that particular atom. This is the standard formula which you have to use all over the plan if the problem is asked, that is solve the determine the quantities using center line method. Now one more thing to understand, in your question paper, whatever the 12-mark question is there, they are not going to tell you either you go by center line method or you go by PWD method. Okay, by any method you can solve. It is up to you which method seems to be simple for you. Okay, so our only single formula that we are going to use for this particular method for calculating the center line is nothing but the total center line length equals to center line length, which we are going to calculate, minus 1/2 into number of junctions into one width of that particular atom. Okay, this method is quick but required some special attention at the junctions. Required special attentions at the junction, meeting the points of partition or cross walls. Okay, now what is this particular number of junctions? मी तुम्हाला हा फॉर्म्युला परत व्यवस्थित इलॅबोरेट करतो. व्हॉट इज द